Bro, the view is literally crazy. Like, Miami, the place to be, bro. No cap. So, yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, place nice, but it just noisy. Strip now, showing what I want. Yeah, so back again with the next one. Now we're touching at Miami. So let's see a little preview. Carry on with me.
Look, I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks.
Yeah, so we're there now. Up on the plane. We'll see you guys in Miami.
We in the back of the back, last name Driver shit, so you know I get drippy. You ain't on my side, ain't on my team. Yeah, I'm running the city, don't gotta ask if it's with me. Yeah.
So we reach at the hotel. I'm giving a little preview. Oops. I'm showing you the view. Check out the view. It's crazy, right? Look at this view now. It's pretty nice view. Why we can't ever give up. No time, bro. No cap. The view is crazy now. Good morning. So it's the next day. We are giving an updated view from the place now another day. Crazy, right? So yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, place nice, but it just noisy. I don't know if you can hear me good. It's noisy. Lots of things are going on in Miami right now. Place is busy, but it's a good look. Views for these, you know. Put in the work for views like these, bro. No cap. Actually, look on the middle. Touch on the road. It kinda rain still, so we'll see. But no, we have to drop on the bad YSL. Yup. No cap. Decent thing. Oh, come up here, little. See them like a thing, huh? Pitch pot. Stress to that, huh? Sometimes the market we stressing. No cap there. You have to strong. So ready for you right now. So the night, never really get much content. I really just got to do like a shopping. As I mean, the place kind of rainy still, but I'm showing how I'm sleeping. This is how I'm falling asleep. No cap. No cap. Yeah, no.
Please
prison
don't
break.
stand on the bunks. They are not real.
We'll take you through it.
But don't use it.
Yeah.
So, we need to look for some crows. I will see this. It's a break me, so I'm gonna break it. It's a break me. We'll see. I use this thing now, I know how dirty man. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, no, the up here still, but we see a soap is a break me, so go break it. See.
No, not in there.
See a key there.
Oh.
So we'll find a key. Go see this now. Backside, boy.
We'll pull something. We'll find a key. Find
a key. 9.
9. This is 4.
13 that.
Okay.
What? This side. But now we pull this. What the purpose of pulling this now?
Look, Andrew.
What the purpose of pulling this?
Wait, brother, what come this up with the number them?
Oh. No, but if you saw one.
Well, you can use those ones.
Let me tell you.
Not one, have one. That's all.
So, 4, 5, 5.
10. Probably said 4, 5, 5.
4, 5, 5.
Or probably use like one of those 5, 5, 3. I think I put 4.
5, 5, 3, 4, 5.
Or see 1 here to 6. This has 6, brother. Use this then. Use 6, 4.
6, 4,
I don't know how that works.
4 again. 5. Why? This I can pull some way somehow. But this are the purpose of pulling it at this door.
But this was showing all along. Huh? No, we have 13. We have 13, 5, 10, 15, 21, 6, 4. But we have a book. I don't know it has, you might just read it.
Keeping court of the days until we escape on the walls. If anyone could see it, it's still a pipe dream for now. A pipe there, pipe underscore. I think it's a sign. I guess it's still a pipe dream for now. The cards are ready. All 4 cards are absolutely necessary to our success. Tomorrow is a big day. The library checkout list is more important.
What?
Remember the books themselves. Blah blah blah.
What does that say? I think something have to do with them, the number they were them right.
Oh, that's when we don't have the clue.
Oh no, I'm not
There's
correct.
not a clue around there. Iron what? Iron what? One iron what? So, get a clue, pull this, get some card. No. What we do with the card now? What we do? We don't know. I'm gonna say extra. Here's the next clue.
No, accent.
Card. What we do with the card?
Big.
Oh, we made it out the cell. on to the next. So we're on a new level, and now we have to see where we can go, you know. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Crazy. We get 3 out of 4 already. Let's see if we make it out now and there. I know when I use them, eh? I know when I use them. But can't escape. Okay, so next in.
You know what if I take up away like this magnetic? Come on, please.
9 minutes left. Have you noticed the green and blue?
Green this one, green and blue over this one.
What's that?
So we're done with the escape room, and so right now currently we're in Brickell. Sure. This was supposed to move. Anyways, we are walking down an escalator. So we're there at the gym. I'm actually showing how it look. We have a nice view. Have a nice view. Our cap.
Well, yesterday, I thought everyone was confident, but I still got scratched out from the AC and drive out back and forth.
Back it up. Pack it up. Like, oh, they want smoke, we gon' pack 'em up. Just look at the score and the time is up. I'm the one you gon' lose, better back it up. Yeah, add it up. Send me the work, I back it up. Zip. They mad as fuck, cause I get it back and I rack it up. Quick. Audemars, Hublot, Patty, Trent, Louis, luggage, Paris. I feel like Kobe 24, you know I had to ice my wrist. I've been ballin' since a young, you know I had to stack my chips. Bending corners, 12 personas, know we had to take them risks.
Alright, so after that nice gym session, we are going to visit the pool. Actually, my first time I come to the pool, you know? And we're there. Check out the view of the pool. And yeah, now we just have a trip off now, so we're just going at the pool now. It's crazy, yeah? Cause I found my way. So basically back out now. We are going to touch over on the Miami Strip. Weather been bad, so let's see if we can beat the weather. I'm showing you where we are go. I'm showing you a preview of it. It's clean. See that? I'm showing you where we are going. Basically I touch way over there, so that bridge there, so. See if I can see it. The bridge there. I touch straight over there, so you see them tall skyscraper, and I see full 100 still. Cause I find my way. Cause I find my way, my way. Yeah, so we're there now on the bicycle. So chill. I'll go through. No cab. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, cause I found my way. Yeah, basically in Grand Theft Vice City for who know. South Beach, Miami, on South Beach. Nice piece of strip. back at the hotel. Tonight is actually the last night in Miami before we go back to Jamaica. You know me that thing about you know how when some people vacation, I know me not do vacation still. We just come explore. Right? Because work still put in, you still make money while we're there. Anywhere in the world, right? But you know, some people, oh, them sad are because then basically the vacation for escape from them life. If you build a life you don't need to escape from, then vacation done. Just go back to your same normal life. Because let's say now, I live here, I go to Jamaica. Still outside in Jamaica. Still there, make money, living a life where you don't need to escape from is the real deal. So that's how I encourage you to do it. So yeah, you actually check out the view right now. So yeah, I can't get over this view. I swear. I mean, can't get over it. View is great. So these are the views. Literally, look at it. These are the views you actually get or can achieve for see once you put in the work. For real. Because I mean the camera don't really do it justice. But it's actually crazy in person. You see me? So just make sure you put in the work and never ever give up in anything or another. Because you never know when it can be your time, right? But as them say, this life so crazy, I think I'm gonna buy a next one, no cap. Believe. Yeah, so that's a wrap. Back in JA now, and as a back, sure you have to do some business. See that? Check it out. Today's the 15. I'm showing 15 back and did a mill payment. That's what it is. On the business anytime. And now we're off to Baba. Yeah.
I made it through the day cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.